following is a non-profit fan-based parody. Dragon Ball Z, and Dragon Ball GT are all owned by Funimation, Toei Animation, Fuji TV, and Akira Toriyama. Please support the official release.
So, Frieza sent you to follow us, huh? Looks like he wasn't satisfied with just our planet.
Who the hell is Frieza?
Shut up! There's no way we can let you people live. Not after what you did to our planet. Our families! Yeah! And now, for your crimes against our people...
Okay, seriously, we have no idea what...
We sentence you to death!
Isn't that a little...
Men, ready your blasters!
Go on, this may be it. Close your eyes!
Aim! Fire!
Oh. Huh.
Oh my god. Frieza's men are stronger than we thought. Everyone, take your cyanide tablets!
But we told you, we don't know any Frieza!
Krillin, can I open my eyes now?
Just get back to the ship, Gohan.
But I can't see.
Just get back to the ship!